we guide you through how to block a country on your Facebook page. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Facebook account and go directly to your page. Then on the left menu, scroll down and click Settings. Once inside the settings, look for privacy or audience and visibility depending on your version. Then find the option called Country Restrictions or Page Visibility by Location. Click Edit now. You'll see a field where you can type the name of the country you want to block. Simply enter the country, select it from the drop-down, and make sure you choose the option that says Hide this page from viewers in these countries. After that, click Save Changes to apply the restriction instantly. So that's it. People from that selected country will no longer be able to view or interact with your page. This is especially useful if you are targeting specific regions or avoiding spam traffic. If you ever want to remove the restrictions, just go back to the same settings and delete the country from the list.